Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. If you want to make a QR code attendance sheet using Google Sheets, I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up and exactly how to use it. It's quick and easy actually, so let's dive in. So what we have here is a group of names, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to highlight them and we're going to use Control-C on our keyboard and we're going to open up a Google form, right? So we're going to name this attendance form or whatever it is that you'd like to name it. Making sure that it's a blank form, tap on the option 1 and paste. That's Control-V on your keyboard. You'll now paste all of these names. Now from here, we're going to go to the top. Just next to send, there's 3 dots, and here you want to click on get pre-filled link, and this will open. Now what you want to do is tap on the very first name and click on get link. Now what this will do is generate a link for this specific name. We're going to come back to our sheet over here and we are going to add this in. Now we can do this for the rest of these names, but if you have 20, 50, 100 names, it's going to be very time consuming. Let's jump back into our sheet and this is what we're going to do. While you've selected this cell, hit enter so that you open up the editing of the cell. And what you're going to do here is you're going to type in equals, double quotation, right at the beginning. You're going to come all the way to the end where the name is. And just after the equals icon, right, we're going to go add the quotation marks. We are going to add one of those, which we know as and. We are now going to take the name. We're going to remove it. From here, we are going to type in encode URL. And now we are going to use an open bracket and you're going to click on your name. Once you've clicked on the name, you're going to hit enter. And this will now autofill all the rest of this for you. Okay, so all of these links are the same with regards to the individual names. What we're going to do now is highlight our very first link, and right here on the top you're going to see the actual full link. You're going to go and look for view form. Okay, now this view form over here you want to remove. What you want to put in replace of is you want to type in form response, but the R has to be a capital letter. So form response, and after the form response you will see the USP equals PP, and you want to go underscore URL, and you want to remove all of this. Okay, now once you remove all this, you're going to hit enter. And this will now change this form to a response form. Now, if you open it up, you'll see over here, the example is attendance form, your response has been recorded. That's fantastic. That's what we're looking for. Now, what we're going to do from here is we're going to take this link, we're going to say Control-C, and we're going to go into link tw.in, right? And this basically allows you to take links like this and click on create link. You can create an account for free. And what it does is it gives you a shortened link, but it also gives you a QR code. So you can change the format that this QR code is in. But essentially, we're going to click on download QR code, and we're going to jump back into our Google Sheet. And here, we are going to click on the QR code section. We're going to go insert. We're going to look for image, and we're going to insert an image to a cell. And we're going to now look for the QR code. Here your QR code is now, and you'll do exactly the same for the rest of these links. I've now gone and created QR codes for all of these, and what we want to do here is just select that cell line and hold in shift and select all of these lines. So we're going to just make these bigger, and you now have a QR code. Now when this QR code is scanned, this is the results. Okay, so you'll have the attendance form not as a form like this, but you'll actually have this attendance form come up that looks like this. So you will be able to cite this response, and you will now be able to manage your attendance right here on Google Sheets.